So here we are again. Another day, another folding phone dollar. No, not those old, tired, vintage things. I'm talking about the hip, the gnarly, the far out, the bee's knees, cool beans, totally awesome Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. Salutations everybody, thank you so much for tuning in for A Real Perspective. Okay, I'm gonna keep it real, bro and sis. Okay, let's go. Now, before you say anything, I never said I hated Samsung. There's beauty in most technology, from the space station that's orbiting above you while you sleep to the chair that's keeping you above the ground so you're not doing this. Till I become more prominent on YouTube and can get devices like this straight from the blobfish's mouth, I have to say, this is really cool. I don't know if this is practical for the everyday user, and nor do I really think that this is the approach to folding phones that we all really been looking for. To be frank, I just want to take a huge sized tablet screen, fold it up so it's a phone I can put in my pocket. That's really the only use I could see it really having if I had a phone that folded. Other than that, you can keep it. Now if you get the Sir Galaxy Flip-A-Lot Z Fold phone, this is what you're in for.
The following is just rumors. I repeat, just rumors. If you decide to take it seriously and when you get this phone you regret your choice, that's not my fault. Remember I said it's just a rumor that I got off CNET. Here we go. This phone features 6.7-inch vertically folding display, possibly with bendable ultra-thin glass, 2636 by 1080 pixel screen resolution, 1.06-inch external display with 300 by 116 pixel resolution, two 12 megapixel rear cameras, one main and one ultra-wide, 10 megapixel front-facing camera with autofocus, two batteries, one with 900 mAh capacity, other unknown. Hideaway hinge that could keep our dust and crumbs. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, 8 GB of RAM, 250 GB onboard storage, total of 3300 mAh battery, wireless charging, $1,400 price tag, supposedly on sale on February 14th. 4G only, no 5G, ha ha ha. Android 10 with Samsung One UI, two colors, black and purple.
Now this info came straight from CNET.com. It's a website that provides articles, usually strictly based upon technologies and different devices that come out. If you want to read the whole article and see what else they have, you can go to the link in the description of this video and you'll go straight to that website. To sum it up for people who don't understand techie terms, it's awesome, okay? It's awesome. I really believe if you really want to get in this folding phone, bending screens, mojo stuff, you should give it some time. Just stand back, look at those people that can throw $1,000 here and there to every folding phone that comes their way. Just admire it, take notes, see what you like about that and see what you don't like about it. Then I'm guarantee you, one of these companies are gonna make a device that's exactly what you've been looking for and at a reasonable price. Maybe in like the year 4004, but still, it'll come around eventually. Thanks so much for listening and watching My Real Perspective. Go ahead and give this video whatever thumb you think it deserves. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. But I gotta say this, y'all. Do not start a war in the comment section. In the words of an old classmate, let's all be lambs. I'm active on Twitter at IP_man487 and on Instagram at IPman487. Why 487? Just cause. Thanks again and stick around. Make sure you turn on your notification bell on YouTube so that way you never miss a video. Stay tuned for the next one. Now it's time for me to dip out.